Alright, it's back to the roots. We're going to make this a bike blog today. We're at Anhaltebahnhof now in downtown Berlin. Going to get on the S-Bahn and go way up northeast to Liepnitzsee. Alright, so we're out of Bernau and we're on our way to Liepnitzsee. There's this great little path here that'll take us there. It's about 11 kilometers through the forest, over the dale, and then we'll be at the lake. See you soon. So I hope you liked our little journey into Brandenburg today, to the beautiful Liepnitzsee. And till next time, it's been Mida 3000.